the first pawpaw of the season. Hey guys, plant-based Gabriel here. I hope I'm coming in clear. Today I've got a very special treat. The first pawpaw of the season. Indiana banana, mountain mango, absolutely wonderful. Now we're pretty much at September's not, or it might be the 1st of September or so. So you're not gonna be necessarily finding a ton of ripe pawpaws out, especially if you're in, like we're here, the eastern United States in zone 7B. But what you can do is start scouting out the areas where you know pawpaw trees are, or where you want to start looking for them, and start looking on the ground, because a guy like this one is something that was on the ground, and those are the early ripe ones. And if you're someone who's wanting to maybe start some wild pawpaw seeds, these are the types that you want to start from, because if you want some early nice pawpaws. But let's cut it open. Oh, look at that. I have been waiting a year for this. Let's check it out on camera. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooey, gooey deliciousness. Let's try some. Save your seeds. Super sweet. So much, so worth the wait. I know this year I'm definitely going to be taking the pulp and de-seeding and freezing a bunch so that I can keep it throughout the year, because last year I ate nothing but pawpaw for like a month, and then I had no pawpaw for the next 11 months. So this year I'm going to eat a lot of pawpaw, but I'm going to be saving a lot of pawpaw. That is my goal this year. Try to not eat all of it once I bring it home after harvesting it. But I'm going to keep you guys updated. There will be a lot more pawpaw news coming up. There's a Pawpaw Fest coming up here and I will, in Maryland, and I will let you guys know about that here very soon. But I just wanted to stop in, show you pawpaw. They are starting to ripen, so make sure you're out looking and find some good spots, get some pawpaw, and just enjoy North America's only tropical fruit, what I think is the most delicious tropical fruit on the planet. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe to the page, like the page. Check out plantbasedgabriel.com, check out our healthy vegan plant-based recipes, and see what's going on our 1-acre vegan farm. All right, that's all for now. I will see you soon.